Suggested pages, or relevant pages as it's also called, is one of the really cool features in Ontolica Preview that enables the users to find and extract the information they are looking for very easy directly from the search interface. When you're opening up a real-time preview, what you get is a number of suggested pages based on the search term you have put in. What this does is it actually analyzes the entire document for you, finding out what pages is most relevant to you. This is not just simply taking a scan of the document and saying, okay, this term is on this page and this page. It actually analyzes the page, the structure, how often the term occurs, and how closely related to the different paragraphs in the document this text is. It's really smart. So based on this algorithm we have underneath, it gives you suggestions of what you have searched for and allows you to go directly to that page, open up the page in full screen preview for easy reading, highlighting the page and giving you the option here to say, okay, this was actually the right document that I'm looking for. But let's say it was not actually the word energy you were looking for. You were looking for specifically the word fossil. So let's try to take a scan in the document for that. What it gives you now is a new set of suggested pages based on your in-document search. Okay, I was looking for something with fossil, and I know it's somewhere by the end of the document. I click on the link on page 22. Fossil, this was not the page I'm looking for. Suggested pages in full screen preview gives you the option to navigate between the most relevant pages by clicking the star buttons. This takes you to the previous or the next most relevant page. So let's try that. Okay, here it was. This was the graph I was looking for. Let me just zoom in a bit and take a look. Increasing decarbon noise. Yes, this was the text and the information I was looking for. So you can now directly from the search interface, without having to opening up documents in different applications or even opening up a new tab, find the information you're looking for, extract it easily, and you have not left the search interface. This is a really cool feature. The algorithm behind the feature can actually be tweaked to your precise needs. Let's try to open up the settings page for it. Well, obviously you can change the icon as you can with everything in Ontolica. You can stylize it the way you want, but more importantly, you can say, I never want more than 15% of a document to be relevant. So you can tweak how this algorithm works to your exact needs. And you can also say, I never wanted to show more than 5 suggested pages, because users don't want to browse more than 5 pages. They can obviously still read through the entire document, but this will most likely give them what they need. Also, you can say, I never want less than 2 suggested pages. This means that we will always show the 2 most relevant pages, if any exist obviously, but in most cases they do. And this way you can give the user a very uniform experience using this highly sophisticated algorithm that lies behind. Obviously, a feature such as suggested pages requires analysis of the document, and this can be done in 2 different ways. One is that the moment you click this Show Document Preview button, Ontolica Preview actually go in real time, analyzes the document, extracts all the metrics about the document. But if this is a feature that you use really often, you might consider doing it up front. What you can do is you go into the Manage Content Source, and in here we have a checkbox called Include Text Analysis Data. What this does is it actually, at crawl time, when we're generating the first page preview thumbnails, we also extract the text of the document and pre-generate metrics about this precise document, allowing the real-time conversion to not having to do that, which means that the term energy can really quickly be processed with minimum overhead on your conversion servers at a maximum usability to your users. In-document search combined with suggested pages is a really helpful feature for making sure that your users are not only finding the right document, ensuring that it is indeed the right document, but they can also extract the information they need from that document. And this feature obviously works not only in search, it works in document library preview as well. This was Suggested Pages 101.